Exploring Kupwara District in winters offers a magical experience, especially with the snow transforming these already enchanting destinations into winter wonderlands. 1. Bungus Valley in winter snow. With snow blanketing the landscape, Bungus Valley becomes even more picturesque, enhancing its natural beauty. The snow-covered meadows and coniferous forests create a serene atmosphere, perfect for winter hikes and photography. Adventurers can enjoy activities like snowshoeing or even skiing in this pristine winter landscape. 2. Seamab Valley in winter snow. The snowfall transforms Seamab Valley into a fairy tale scene, with the dull cold water body surrounded by snow-capped trees. Despite the cold, the valley retains its charm, offering opportunities for snow-based activities like sledding and snowball fights. The tranquility of the snow-covered forests adds to the allure of Seamab Valley, providing a peaceful retreat for winter enthusiasts. 3. Lolab Valley in winter snow. In winter, Lolab Valley resembles a scene from a postcard, with the snow-covered deodar forests and the glistening Laukal stream. Visitors can experience the thrill of walking through the snow-laden trails or simply enjoy the beauty of the valley from a cozy spot. Winter also offers a unique perspective on historical landmarks like Sat Baron, as the snow adds a layer of mystery and beauty to these sites. 4. Haihama Valley in winter snow. While not explicitly mentioned earlier, Haihama Valley also offers a stunning winter landscape with its forests, rivers, and snow-covered vistas. The infrastructure development makes it accessible even in winter, allowing visitors to experience the pristine beauty of the valley under a blanket of snow. Winter in Haihama Valley provides ample opportunities for snowshoeing, photography, and experiencing the tranquility of nature in its frozen splendor. 5. Sadna Pass Viewpoint in winter snow. Sadna Pass becomes even more captivating in winter, with the snow-covered mountains and valleys stretching as far as the eye can see. The mythological legends surrounding the pass add an element of mystique to the winter landscape, making it a fascinating destination for cultural enthusiasts. Adventurous travelers can enjoy snow trekking or simply revel in the breathtaking views of the snow-clad Himalayas from the pass. These destinations in Kupwara District offer a unique winter experience, combining natural beauty, cultural heritage, and recreational activities amidst the serene snow-covered landscapes.